Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we'll discuss about twisting of solid in shaft. This okay. There's some formula you're supposed to know. Discuss about twisting of solids, solid shaft and hollow shafts. Fall under this stuff, but anyway we'll focus on the solid shaft. Alright, what you're supposed to know are the formulas. Supposed to know how to calculate the power transmitted by shafts. So power is the one that is the same. It's the same formula that you know. It's the first same formula that you know. We're used to this one, but it's 2 pi multiplied by n. But this torque is what? It's a mean torque. It's not just a torque. Mean torque divided by 60 if you've given n in reds per minute. But if you're given n in reds per seconds, if you're given your n in reds per seconds, your formula will simply equals power will be equals to 2 pi n multiplied by t mean. Only don't have to divide by 60. Alright, so we know that power is measured in watts. This must be in watts. Is measured in watts. So what about the mean torque? What about the mean torque? The mean torque, you'll get the mean torque, you will get it from the maximum torque. You'll get it from the maximum torque. That is where you'll get this mean torque, right? From the maximum torque formula. What is the maximum torque? Maximum torque in shafts, supposed to know the maximum torque in shaft. Okay, maximum torque in shafts, maximum torque transmitted by shaft must be T max, maximum torque is equal to T mean into 1 plus percentage over load. You'll be given this percentage over load. Divide this percentage over load by 100. You'll be given this. You'll be given percentage over load. Will be given in percentage. Will be given in percentage. Alright. So you will substitute there. So before you substitute here, you're supposed to make T mean the subject. You write if you want the T mean. So therefore, if you make T mean the subject, you'll find that you divide by that. If you want T mean, you divide by that. Both sides will have T max will be equal to 1 plus percentage over load divided by 100. This is our T mean. This is how you calculate your T mean. That is how you get your T mean. Alright. So there's another formula again that we're used to. Can calculate this one, just a torque. This, remember, that was the maximum. The torque again can be calculated by force multiplied by R. The torque transmitted by shaft, that one was the maximum torque transmitted. Take a note, this is the maximum, this is the mean. Alright, so take a note about that. And then we know, obviously, the torque is measured in Newton per meter, or Newton, you can write this Newton meter. Alright, that is your torque. Not per meter, so you cannot say Newton meter. Yeah, it's Newton meter, not per meter. It's Newton meter, it's measured in Newton meter. If per meter is like this, so it's not per meter, it's Newton meter. It's measured in Newton meter. All right. For an example, how can we go about and take this? Here is an example. It says calculate the maximum torque. Check. It's a maximum torque. Don't make a mistake. Maximum torque, T max. They say we should determine T max for the maximum torque for that shaft that we're given in this question. Maximum torque that the shaft is placed under when it transmits power. We've given that it's a power, because why I say it's power is because we see the units there. It's in kilowatts of the power. We've given N, the speed there, at 800 res per min. Says determine the here we have what? Okay, maximum torque. Maximum torque is 15% more than the mean torque. More than the mean torque. So we'll talk about this. That is when it's coming. That is where the equation that we've discussed will come here. Will come there. We want to calculate the maximum torque. But we just said that the maximum torque, we said the maximum torque is given by T max, right, into 1 plus overload, percentage overload divided by 100, like this. So, sorry, here supposed to be T mean, obviously, always this is T mean. All right. So to calculate this, we're supposed to have the T mean. Cannot determine without having T mean. Supposed to have a T mean. All right. But T mean, we said when you calculate the power, we said the power is 2 pi n T mean. T mean, that is not the maximum torque, divided by 6. So you also have T mean here. So we'll make it the subject here, because we don't want T mean, we actually want the maximum torque, but we are limited because we want this T mean. And then you're right, we are not given T mean there on the question. So you can go about and make T mean the subject of the formula. If you multiply there, as you'll multiply, you make it the subject, you multiply, you divide. If you multiply there, our T mean, multiply there, 60 multiplied by power, then you divide by this, will be over 2 pi n. This is our T mean. So we can substitute, therefore T mean will be equals to 60. The power we are given is 30 times 10 to the power of 3, since it's in kilowatts, divided by 2 pi n. Here it's 800. All right. So therefore T mean, punching our calculator, we're supposed to get that our T mean is 358.1 Newton meter. So that is our T mean. So since we have the T mean, we can find the maximum torque, because we have said that T max will be equals to T mean into 1 plus percentage over load divided by 100. All right, divide this by 100. All right, so T mean we have there, we have T mean there is 358.1 into 1 plus percentage overload is the one that we have here, guys. The one, this thing that the power transmit, the maximum torque is 15% more than the mean torque. We're talking about this 15% there is the one that you'll use. Plug it as it is, just plug it, because certain percentage there, put that 15% as it is, divide by what? By 100. Then punching this there on your calculator, you'll get that the 40 maximum torque. Or if you start, or you can punch this and also multiply by that, but it's a waste. You can simply just put this on your calculator straightforward. Alright, this will be 411,81 Newton meter. That is it. That it is for this particular video. Then we'll look at the next video. We'll check what we're talking about polar. We'll talk about things like polar. We'll see all of those things. Alright. Nevertheless, and then if you've not subscribed, may you kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification button so that you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Become the part of the family.